Oh, that's perfect.
It'll go lower once the other side settles.
No, I didn't. It looks good, actually.
You don't want it no more?
Well, I'm gonna keep it, but... Why, you thinking you want it, or
No,
what?
I think it look good with it.
No, it looks good. Hey, what the hell are you doing? Oh, oh, my lemons be fucked.
Your steering wheel?
Dude. Oh, it's fucked.
Oh, your shit's fucked.
Yeah, no shit.
Wait, how?
Just like the Odyssey, bro.
Can we fix it?
I don't know what I did.
What's up, Bankroll? We back. Got some D2 coils
Roll down your window.
for the EP3. So we got one coil in already in the front. Was a bit of a hassle, but we got it in. Here are the older ones. He was on Tein springs.
Oh, you got it.
Now we gotta do the rest of them.
Okay, so on the other side, what happened was I was messing with this, trying to get it in here, and then I ended up getting it in here, but then once it was in, I started tightening stuff and loosening stuff while the one wheel was in the air. And so obviously this is attached to the steering rack. And so I wasn't paying attention, but the steering wheel was turning left and right. And then so finally when we got everything good, that wheel on the driver's side ended up being like hella pointed inwards, while this one was still straight. And the steering wheel ended up being upside down because I had adjusted this without paying attention to it. So make sure you don't push or pull this when you're putting it together like I did. And yeah, it should be cool. All right, so we just got the D2 coilovers installed on the passenger front side. The issue we're having is, I believe these outer tie rods are aftermarket, and they have a stud that goes all the way through, right? But the castle nut right there, see those little notches? Okay, so I had to notch this one up a little bit higher because when we tightened the castle nut, the stud that comes down isn't long enough. And then so I wasn't able to stick the cotter pin through the nut. So yeah, like I said, I notched this a little bit higher so that when we tighten it, we're able to stick a cotter pin through that. And everything else has been pretty easy so far. Excuse the gloves. So to install these, it was pretty easy. You just had to remove these. This was a 15 and this was a 18, I believe. Remove that one, and then the ABS sensor that goes right here, and then the brake line. So here's one sensor, and then the brake line that attaches back here. And then just this outer tie rod, it's a 17, so we just backed it out and popped it out by hand. It was pretty free already. I wouldn't recommend smacking the stud, because if you do, you'll mushroom the head, and then yeah, it'll be a struggle after that. But anyway, we got it in. I'm just gonna finish tightening that up, and then coilover should be pretty much in. Just have to tighten the top hat. We didn't do any camber adjustments to the top. We just left it factory. And yeah, we'll be back as soon as we lower it.
How? Why does that make a
We
difference?
took a little break, but now we're here. We're gonna work on the back. So that's how you access the coils. They're right here in the back.
The coils.
Right?
Yeah.
The struts.
The struts.
There you go.
I know we were talking technical terms.
Technicalities.
All right.
What's up, Brian?
Those speakers now. Hey, buy me an ice cream.
You down? Or they come this way? So we're starting in the back. Starting off with this little shit right there.
Yeah, if I can get it.
I'm about to make you some Sonic ice cream.
Hell yeah, man. Hey, what's up, you two? I just want to let you know that this is the biggest bitch ever.
Your lips are blue as fuck.
Stop.
Don't forget this.
Hey, what's your fingers do? Oh, yeah, thanks. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Are those actually true hearts or what? Yeah. Give me, dámelo.
You hella dropped that shit.
You did, huh?
Watch out.
All right, guys. YouTube fans. What the hell? It's on True Hearts?
But this is only on the back, right?
This is only on the back. I'm so confused, y'all.
That's weird.
Out with the old and in with the new.
And with the new? Alright. Wait, we need to adjust them.
Oh, yeah, fuck. It's true.
Sorry, guys. We'll be right back with more YouTube content. What?
There's nothing even attached back here.
We're stiffening up these coils.
Alright,
We're also going to have to
guys.
install this.
We are not gonna have to install this.
We are for the brake line, right?
No, we're not. It's already in touch.
Oh. All right, boys.
We're Gucci gang.
We won't have to do this.
Okay, I'm kidding. Hey, you're in my gas tank, bro. Hey, you doing that on purpose now?
It's okay, guys. We're making progress.
Hey man, guess what? It's out.
Oh.
Idiot.
Sick.
Oh shoot! I punctured your gas tank, bro.
Oh my god.
We'll probably sit like that.
Huh?
That's still not slammed.
Oh.
He's about to punch a hole through his truck.
Fucking Miggy.
The oil pan?
No, seriously.
The oil pan? Why? I just put a block of wood under it.
I need light.
I just put a block of wood underneath.
There you go. Okay. Huh? Right? What the fuck are you saying? Hard car. Push it, pump it.
All right, boys. So the coils are all in. We installed them in pretty high, but we're gonna go back and lower them. But for today, that's it. What's up, guys? It's been a couple weeks already. We gave the coils some time to settle, and yeah, here they are. Here it is, lowered. Looks pretty good.
I didn't want to go too low because I didn't want to have to worry about hitting, you know.
Yes.
Or scraping and stuff
shit.
in driveways. So.
But it looks good.
Yeah.
It's still low, you know.
Yeah. I haven't messed with the dampening yet, so.
Yeah, it looks good though.
Yeah. I haven't driven it too much, just from work and back really, but so far it's really nice. The suspension travel, the spring rate is good. Over bumps, it's a little stiff, obviously over bumps, but you know, they're coils, so it's like, it's expected. But I mean, overall, it's really smooth, and I like the little bit stiffer ride over the OEM ride. Through corners, it's nice through corners, pretty flat, minimal body roll, you know, just what you need.
Dope.
The ride height is good. I don't have any trouble through driveways or speed bumps, so I'm chilling on that. I mean, overall, the experience so far has been good with the D2s, so I mean, I would recommend them.
So yep, guys, that was the install. D2 coilover install on this 2004 EP3. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.